boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. So today we are going to talk about proper nouns. We've talked about proper nouns before in class, and proper nouns are always capitalized. So they're always capitalized at the beginning. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So say we are talking about a little girl or a girl. That would be our common noun. Now if we have a name for that little girl, say Kate, Kate would be the proper noun. So Kate would be capitalized. Same thing for the word boy. Boy would be our common noun, but a proper noun might be Daniel. So Daniel would be our proper noun, and Daniel being a proper noun would be capitalized. So we are going to work on this paper together. So you guys are going to need this proper noun sheet, which I think is the first one in your packet. And you guys are going to need a pencil. The first thing I want you guys to do, write your name at the top. And then we are going to talk about months and days. So our first little section up here, we are going to be looking at the pictures and trying to think of what month of the year they might be in. So remember, we have our months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? And right now I sang that because you guys all know the song that we do for our months of the year. So right now we are in the month of April. But April's kind of like when spring is coming, right? And we're talking about the beginning of the year in January. It's normally cold and snowy. And then in the summer months, it's normally like June, July, and August when it's all sunny and we get to go swimming and wear our bathing suits and it's hot out. And then in the fall, it's normally around like September, October, November when the leaves start falling and it starts getting cold again for winter time that's going to start coming around in December, right? So we are looking at our picture, our very first one. And it's like a little boy and a girl, and they are wearing bathing suits, it looks like, and they are playing in a sprinkler. So what month of the year do you guys think we should write for our proper noun? We could do June or July, maybe even August. Let's do July because July is like super hot and that is like my favorite time to go swimming or in a sprinkler. So I'm going to write the word July. I'm going to capitalize my J for July, and then I'm going to write the rest of my letters lowercase. So I want you guys, if you have to pause it to see this, that's okay. So I have my word July. I have my capital J, U, L, Y. If you guys think it's June, you guys can write June, but I'm going to write July. So you guys can either copy it or write June and see how my J is capital. So our next picture we have, it looks like a little girl and she's raking leaves. So when do our leaves normally start to fall down? What month is like a fall time month when you're thinking about pumpkins and leaves and Halloween? What month is that? Do you guys know? It's October. So we are going to write our proper noun, October. And I have my capital O, which I don't like my capital O because my capital O is definitely not fat enough. So remember, we do all the way from the top to the bottom of the solid lines for our capital O. And then all the rest of my letters are all lowercase for my word October. And Mrs. Hanson wants you to write it just like that. So if you need to pause it and write that out, for our second one is October. So we have July, then October. So what about our third one? We have our snowman. She looks like she's putting a hat on our snowman. It's all snowy and she's got a scarf and a hat and gloves. That's going to be our winter time. So which month do you guys normally think about when we think winter time? We didn't really get a whole lot of snow this year, so that doesn't help us. Let's do January just to do something different. So I'm going to capitalize my J, and then I have January, and I have all of my other letters are lowercase for the word January. So I want you guys to write January next to your little snowman with the girl building her snowman. So we have July, October, and January. So our second part is talking about days of the week. So when we are talking about days of the week, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we have 7 days of the week, right? And we do not go to school on Sundays or Saturdays because those are our weekends. So we go to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's what we are going to practice writing. We're going to practice writing all of our days of the week. And days of the week are proper nouns. So they're always, always capitalized at the beginning. So for our example, we have we go to school on Monday. So our next one, it says we go to school on blank. So we are going to fill in our word Tuesday. So we have our capital T for our Tuesday, and then we're going to write the rest of our letters for Tuesday. If you guys want to copy Mrs. Hanson when you guys are ready, you guys can pause it and write the word Tuesday. So Tuesday is a day of the week. Our months are up here, days of the week are down here. Next, we have we go to school on what comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. So we are going to write our word Wednesday. So I'm going to capitalize my W and then write the rest of my letters for Wednesday in all lowercase letters. And Wednesday is a long one. I almost went off the page, off the line. So I have my word Wednesday. You guys need to pause it and write it super neat, just like Mrs. Hanson, and make sure your letters look just like mine. Then we have after Wednesday, we have Tuesday, Wednesday. What day comes after Wednesday? Thursday. So since Thursday is a proper noun too in a day of the week, we're going to capitalize our T for Thursday, and then all the rest of our letters in Thursday are lowercase. So you're going to copy it just like Mrs. Hanson. So we have our days of the week so far, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then our very last one, we go to school on what's the last day of the week that we love because it's the day right before our weekend? Friday, yes. So we are going to write our capital F for Friday, and then all the rest of our letters are lowercase. So I have for our days, we have days of the week we go to school. We have Monday. We're going to write in Tuesday. We're going to write in Wednesday. We're going to write in Thursday. And we're going to write in Friday. And up here we have our months of the year, July, October, and January. And remember, these are all proper nouns. Proper nouns are always capitalized at the beginning. And we are in the month of April. And does anybody know what day it is? I'm sure a lot of us don't know what day it is because we don't go to school or work. We don't pay attention as much. But today is Tuesday. We had Sunday, which was Easter, and then we had Monday off because it's Easter Monday. So then our first day of this school week is Tuesday. So it's April, and it's a Tuesday. So I hope you guys are doing a super good job writing your months and your days. I can't wait to see your super neat handwriting. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.